Okay, hello guys, and today I'm going to be doing uh, a Bloxburg house tour, and my house is not much yet. I did get rid of like the first basic house that you get in the game, and yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna be showing you my house, and I don't know if I really like Bloxburg that much. It's just cool that you get to make your own home in it and stuff, and how you can play and stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys in build mode first. So here is my house. So here, right now you see that I have no roof. The reason why I don't have a roof is because I don't have enough money to get the full roof there, because I don't want it to be a flat roof there. But actually, no, it's going to be a flat roof only because there's going to be a second floor. But yeah. And I don't think I have enough money to get it yet. And I'm gonna put more tables here and chairs and stuff when I get them out of money too. It's kind of hard to get money in the game blocks because you have to work a lot. That means so yeah. At first, I had a lot of money to get this stuff just because I sold my whole house, the basic house, at the start and stuff. I did make a snowman, but the thing is, you can sell your snowman and you can keep on making them. So that's actually another way to get money, and it might just be a quicker way to get money instead of actually working in Bloxburg. But it's only because of the Christmas/winter update. So yeah. So I guess that's what I've been doing a little bit. But yes, I'm gonna be showing you. This is my kitchen. I have two stoves right here, and I have these cabinets on top. And that's like the kitchen background. I'm not sure if that looks that bad, but yeah. This is my basic looking fridge. These are the countertops, and this is sink. And I haven't used a microwave yet. Let me show you guys. I haven't used the microwave yet, but this is the microwave right here. Yeah, that's the microwave. But anyways, yeah. I'm gonna add a roof, don't worry. Later though, when I get more money. But yeah, and there's gonna be a second floor. And here is my living room. Oh, wrong button. Okay, here is my living room. Here, yeah, the TV's on because I was looking at it. Okay, and then here, yeah, it's a very basic living room. Doesn't look very good. When I have enough money, I'll get better furniture here, or maybe I'll have the better furniture upstairs. But yeah, and this is where I sleep in right now. There's gonna be a door here. I just didn't buy a door yet. There's gonna be a door right here, so it works properly. Okay, and yeah. Oh, I just saw somebody car. Okay, anyways, and I do have a bathroom. Don't worry, I don't forget about that. I mean, I did forget about it until I realized I needed. I will get a better shower, okay, and a better this thing. Okay, and I'm gonna get better things here. I'm gonna get a better shower though. You'll see. It's just I didn't have the money. But yeah. And that's technically the whole house tour so far. And yeah. Now let me show you in non-build mode. Okay, so alright, so this is the home. Oh, I think I'm lagging. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Here I'm gonna make something, I guess. Until then, bye guys. Peace. Comment down below. How many tell me how many counters do I have? And you will be the pinned comment. And try to remember. If you don't remember, it's okay if you go back in the video. Bye guys.